Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. In today's video, we are doing a living room refresh. This video is sponsored by Garvey. It is time to switch things up. I've loved the royal blue, for a couple of months now. And if you've been following me, you know I like to change quite a bit just to give myself a new look. This again is the before, and I'm not going to change much. I'm just going to tweak some things, change out a few home decor pieces and accessories, the pillows, and the rug. Now, I had to call in my helpers, or should I say my heavy lifters, because first things first, I need to move my sectional to place my new piece by Garvey in my living room. Now, I cannot do a refresh without doing some cleaning. So this gives me the opportunity to clean my floors. I ran over my floors with my vacuum cleaner, and now I am giving it a mopping. So the floor is dry, and now I can add my new piece by Garvey. Now, Garvey is an online company that sells so many different items, home decor, outdoor needs, tools, toys, you name it, they have it. Garvey sent over this beautiful, it is a modern black and white striped area rug in the size 9 by 12. It has a curved design. It is low pile carpet and can be placed in any room, a living room, a dining room, an office, or even a bedroom. This area rug also comes in other sizes, a 2x6, a 4x6, a 5x7, a 6x9, a 8x10, and even a 10x13. This beautiful area rug is made of polyester. The back material is made of rubber, or should I say non-slip backing, so no additional rug pad is needed. It is stain resistant. It has a non-shedding surface, so it's safe for busy areas for kids and pet activities. And what I love most about this area rug, it is washable. Enhance your home with this timeless elegance design of this beautiful black and white curved stripe area rug, featuring a modern low pile design that is versatile and perfect for any space. Elevate your decor with this stylish throw carpet that adds a touch of sophistication to your home. Special thanks to Garvey for the opportunity to share this amazing area rug with you. I will have Garvey's website, the link to this product listed in my description box down below, as well as a discount code for all of my blessed family members. Another thing that I'm going to change is this wall art. I don't think it goes quite well with the area rug. So let's change this out. So much better, right? This metal wall art, by the way, I shop my home for, works perfect with this rug. Let's bring back my sectional, which is curved, and it mimics some of the curve in the area rug. And my helpers, they're bringing back my coffee table. I thought about painting or spray painting this coffee table, but I think I'm going to leave it in gold. As always, I'm using one of my favorite cleaners, this Sprayway glass cleaner. Let's bring in some home decor. I'm still shopping my home for the rest of this refresh. I'm bringing in this decorative box, but you'll see in the end, I'm going to switch a few things up. Now to add some home decor pieces to this cabinet right by my front door. And again, you'll see a switch up in the end. even on this cabinet. Next, I'm vacuuming my sectional, getting it ready for some throw pillows, which is a must-have to me. I love to use the size 20 by 20 on this sectional because the back of this sectional is low. Now, anything that I can link that you see here in this video, I will have it listed in my description box below. With this side of the sectional being a chase, and it is a place that everyone loves to sit, I always keep a throw on it. And these acrylic and gold lanterns, I love having them here in my living room. And then I decided to bring in these beautiful black chairs that I had in my family room to make the black pop in this space even more. And you already know that I am a pillow lover, and I'm going to add some pillows to these chairs. These pillows I recently hauled from Michael's. And I think this is it for my living room refresh, and I am loving it. And I am loving this beautiful modern area rug by Garvey. It's like having wall art, or should I say flow art. It makes a bold statement. So let's take a look at what we've accomplished today here in my living room with this living room refresh. Well, loves, that's all I have for you in today's video. Don't forget to head over to Garvey's website. I think you will find something, and I mean something, that you want or need. All of Garvey's information will be listed in my description box below. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I'm truly thankful, grateful, and I am blessed that you are a part of our amazing family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.